Most passive income gurus are lying to you. They show you the lifestyle, but they never show you the 80-hour work weeks or the failed attempts. I got tired of the noise. So I spent the last 30 days testing 5 different passive income streams to see which ones actually pay and which ones are a complete waste of your time. I didn't just read about these. I put my own time and money on the line. I tracked every single penny and documented every failure. The results? Some were a total disaster, but one of them, it generated exactly $1,240 in a single month. In this video, I'm stripping away the hype. I'll show you the exact numbers, the setup process, and the hidden work required for each stream. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side hustle is actually worth your energy in 2026 and which ones you should avoid at all costs. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. You're tired. You wake up, commute, and trade 8 to 10 hours of your life for a paycheck that's already spent before it even hits your account. And you've seen the ads. The gurus telling you that passive income is easy. Just start a dropshipping store. Invest in this random coin. Build an AI bot. So you try. You spend your weekends researching. You stay up until 2 a.m. setting up a store or a blog. But then, nothing. $0. Or maybe $5 after 3 weeks of grinding. That's the dirty secret. Most passive income is actually just a second full-time job that doesn't pay. It's frustrating. It's exhausting. And it makes you feel like the game is rigged. You start wondering if financial freedom is even possible for someone who isn't already a millionaire. Because while you're chasing these hacks, inflation is eating your savings and your free time is disappearing. You don't need more tips. You need the truth. You need to know what actually puts money in your bank account and what is just a waste of your limited time. Let's get real for a second. Most passive income is actually just a second job in disguise. You've seen the ads. Make 10K a month while you sleep. It's mostly noise. That's why I spent the last 30 days testing 5 different streams. No shortcuts. No fake numbers. Just raw data. Here is exactly what happened. Stream number 1, micro tasks. I signed up for Survey Junkie. The promise, easy money while watching TV. The reality, I spent 12 hours over the month clicking boxes and answering questions about laundry detergent. Total profit, $31. That's roughly $2.50 an hour. Verdict, this isn't passive income. It's a low-paying part-time job. Total waste of time. Stream number 2, dividend investing. This is the gold standard for true passive income. I put $5,000 into a diversified dividend ETF. Total profit for the month, $18. Now it is 100% passive. I did zero work. But unless you have a massive portfolio, this won't pay your rent. It's a long-term wealth play, not a quick win. Stream number 3, print on demand. I uploaded 20 simple designs to a t-shirt marketplace. No inventory. No shipping. Total sales, 3 shirts. Total profit, $21. The problem here is the saturation. You aren't competing with a few people. You're competing with millions. Without a viral design or a huge social following, you're invisible. Stream number 4, digital products. I created a short, high-value PDF guide on a topic I'm an expert in and listed it on Gumroad for $15. I spent about 10 hours building it and promoted it on X and LinkedIn. Result, $145. This is where it gets interesting. This is front-loaded work. I worked hard for 3 days, and then the money came in while I was at the gym. And finally, stream number 5, affiliate marketing. I used Wealthy Affiliate to build a niche site focused on a specific problem. I didn't just spam links. I provided actual solutions. I focused on high-ticket offers that actually helped people. By day 30, This single stream brought in $1240. Why the massive difference? Survey Junkie is trading time for pennies. Affiliate marketing is building an asset. Once the content is ranked on Google, it works for you 24/7. One is a treadmill, the other is a machine. So the final tally. Dividends, $12. Print on demand, $45. Survey Junkie, $60. It's fine for beer money, but it's definitely not passive. High yield savings, $22. But the winner, affiliate marketing, $1,240 in 30 days. Now, I didn't wing this. I used Wealthy Affiliate to build my niche site and find high-paying offers. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want a system that actually scales, check the link in the description. It's the only stream on this list that creates a real, scalable asset. Stop chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Start building assets. If this breakdown saved you a month of wasted effort, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest money experiments. Links for Wealthy Affiliate and Survey Junkie are below. I'll see you in the next one.